Khan Academy Kids.
Hi! Help me count to 4. Let's count my socks. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 socks. Let's count to 4 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoa! I have 4 socks. I love socks. Bye!
Tap and count Peck's socks.
Hi! Help me count to 4. Let's count my socks. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 socks. Let's count to 4 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoa! I have 4 socks. I love socks. Bye!
Tap and count Peck's socks.
1, 2, 3, 4.
You did it! Let's do some more counting. Which pillow has 4 shoes? Tap it. Good job! Tap the pillow with 3 shoes. Awesome! Let's count some more.
Numbers are everywhere in our world. This is the number 3. And this is how you write the number 3. Here's a number 3. Here's a number 3. Here's a number 3. Look around to see if you can find the number 3.
Tap the number 3. Nice job! You found the number 3. Now tap the number 4. Keep it up! Let's tap some more numbers. Tap the numbers in order.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Good thinking! The numbers are out of order. Tap them in the right order.
1, 2, 3, 4.
You tap them in order. I love counting.
Have you ever felt happy, sad, mad, scared, or silly? Then you're ready to play Name That Feeling! Noor can't stand losing at chess. Her face feels hot, and she flips over the board. Noor feels mad. Drew is about to go down a tall ramp. His breathing is quick, and his stomach feels like it's turning. Drew feels scared. Oh no, Kezzy can't find her favorite stuffed animal. Tears fill her eyes, and she wants to be alone. Kezzy feels sad. Abuela Chela's grandkids are visiting. She smiles and feels warm and cozy inside. Abuela Chela feels happy. When Russ plays astronauts with his mom, he runs and jumps. He's bursting with energy. Russ feels silly. Excellent work naming these emotions.
Let's play Name That Feeling. The cousins have been fighting non-stop. Angie feels hot inside. She can't take it anymore. Enough, she yells. Angie might be feeling
mad,
good work. Tamika stuck her tongue out at the dragon. The dragon wiggled her ears. They both roared with laughter. Tamika might be feeling
silly,
good work. Kaya really wants to go down the big slide. She walks to the stairs. Her heart thuds with each step. She feels a clump in her throat. It's like there's a monster inside her making her feel sick inside. Kaya might be feeling
scared,
great. Sometimes people feel different ways about the same thing. Which friend looks mad? Tap them. Charlie is mad. The girls' prank ruined his poster. Now, which friends look like they're feeling silly? Zoe and Lily thought they were pulling a silly prank on Charlie. They don't realize they hurt Charlie's feelings. Tap the friend that looks sad. Good thinking. Now, tap the friend that looks happy. Great! Can you make a face that looks happy? Drag a mouth to the face. Press the green button when you're done. Super! Let's do one more. Now, can you make a face that looks scared? Hello! This is the letter M. This is the lowercase m. The letter M makes the sound, like in the word milk. The letter M. Bye!
Give the letter M to Rhea. Mm, 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 mm. Super! You gave the letter M to Rhea. Give the letter C to Peck. K. 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 Good work! You gave the letter C to Peck. Who is wearing the letter M? Tap them.
M.
Awesome! Olo is wearing the letter M. Who is wearing the letter T? Tap them.
T.
Awesome! Olo is wearing the letter T. Who is wearing the letter M? Tap them.
M.
Great! Peck is wearing the letter M. Who is wearing the letter C? Tap them.
C.
Great! Peck is wearing the letter C. Trace the lowercase letter M. Great! You traced the letter M. Spell the word hog. Awesome! You spelled H-O-G. That's the word hog. Spell the word gum. G. Super! You spelled G-M. That's the word gum. Spell the word fan. Great! You spelled F-A-N. That's the word fan. Slide the letters to spell the word fox. Awesome! You spelled ox. That's the word fox. Slide the letters to spell the word hen. Keep it up! You spelled N. That's the word hen. Spell the word hut. Good work! What colors do you want to use? Ooh, I love coloring.